So the difference between a day porter is day porters usually take care of the building whenever people are working there in the morning. They restock restrooms, maintain the building, make sure that if there's spills or any emergency happens, they go and clean it. They take care of the common areas like the lobbies, the break rooms, cafeterias if they have one. They are also in charge of restocking if they are out of soap, paper towels. They're just there to help with the building to function better and make sure that all the occupants and tenants have everything they need cleaning wise. Evening crew or night crew, janitory crew or whatever, they usually do cleaning that is more detailed. They disinfect, they wipe down, they get most of the deeper into the cleaning that the day porters can't do. Like some buildings you can't vacuum, some you can't be mopping since people are walking through the lobbies, and they also clean baseboards, dust vents, clean the restrooms, more detailed cleaning in the restrooms, clean the offices, take out all the trash out of everywhere. Day porters do maintain, and I feel like the evening cleaners are more, they just like make it look better. Yes.